Good evening, everyone. It's Crypto Analysis coming at you with an update video on Dogelon Mars. So Dogelon Mars is having a pretty good recovery right now. So it's no longer on life support. It looks like we double bottomed here, and now we are going back up. But the problem is that we're still under 6 euros 15 and 6 euros 20. So the problem is that as long as we're under this box, it could do exactly what it's been doing and coming up and getting stuck in resistance and then basically coming back down. But what's good this last time is that it actually double bottomed and we didn't get a lower low. So last time, even over here, we went up and then we made a lower low. Okay, we went up and then we made a lower low. Okay, so technically, you know, for some grade A hopium there, we double bottomed here and we didn't actually break 601, which is very good in my opinion, because as long as we stay over this floor and you get consolidation and all the indicators reset, so the stock RSI resets, and the RSI is already oversold anyway, close to the oversold area, so it doesn't really matter. But my hope is that once this thing breaks out and once we get back to these levels, we make a higher high, because then we could start saying that, hey, Dogelon Mars is actually an upward channel. It's making higher highs and higher lows. But what you don't want to see is what we see in a bear market, where the RSI goes up and the next RSI, when it's overbought, you're actually making a lower high. That's what you never want to see. That's basically bearish. Whenever you see that, it's extremely bearish. And that's what we saw during the entire bear market. Okay, so over here we were overbought, the price was here. Okay, next time we were over here, it was overbought, it was here. And then the next time was here and we made a lower high. And then the next time was here and we made a lower high. You see that? So every single time, like, that's just what happens in the shadow realm, right? It just keeps making lower lows and lower highs, which is really not what you want to see in a bull market. Usually you're supposed to see an upward channel and you're supposed to see RSI overbought and then higher highs forming. So what this is telling me is that Dogelon Mars isn't ready yet. It's still consolidating sideways, and unfortunately, as much as I hate saying it, if we don't hold this previous low, you are going to get something like this where you do make a lower low, and then from there maybe it'll be a V recovery and then we start going up, or maybe we just stay down and consolidate for a while and talk about exactly what we're talking about and what we've been talking about for the last 2 years now, of, hey, like, is this going to be the bottom, or are we going to go up? And when we go up, are we finally going to actually maintain price action over these key levels, which as of right now would be 6 euros 22 and 6 euros 35. So 6 euros 22, you can see we did pretty good, but then it was a fake out and then we unfortunately made a lower low. But both times we did get stuck at the 382, which is just brutal. It was a 382 retracement, lower low. 382 retracement, lower low. With that being said, I'll keep you updated as always. None of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I'll keep you updated as always. And we're all in this together, so I hope this thing goes up and we all make money. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and I'll always keep you guys updated on Dogelon Mars. Have a great night, and I'll make another update video. I don't know when it decides to do something. Please like, subscribe, comment, and thank you so much.